Hi friends, very good evening friends. So today as we discussed we are coming with a special webinar for December 2025 attempt. My dear friends, this is my special webinar to ensure that you can able to crack your December exam. So this I am taking as a special request from recently result came. Lot of friends are telling, sir, what happened to my preparation? I am not able to clear. Please give us some support. Yes. So this webinar is for those friends. We are giving the success mantra for your December exam. And this is exclusively for CMA inter and final students. So we are focusing for CMA inter and final students. So very happy for the warm response from all of you. So I want to ensure that every one of you who enrolled today for this webinar must get benefit out of that. We will release this video or this webinar in our YouTube channel also for the benefit of everyone. So today I am going to tell you what is the plan for the day. First of all, we'll directly go for the session. See, first strategy you have to understand that your exam format. Lot of friends still not aware about that. Your exam is 30 mark coming for MCQ, balance 70 mark is for descriptive written exam. This will helpful for students who are rating first time also. First time rating also, this will be helpful. So 30 mark for MCQ and 70 mark for descriptive written exam. This 30 mark, you just want to mark the correct answer. No need of rating anything. They will give you the OMR sheet, you have to mark it. And there is no working note, there is no negative mark. So what is our strategy today is we are going to discuss one by one point. First, I am going to tell because some friends who are not able to clear in last attempt, it is because of some reason they are not able to score maximum in MCQ. So my first strategy to crack is what? Be ready with MCQ. Be ready with MCQ. So here I am going to first my few minutes I am going to tell you how to score MCQ 30 out of 30. See, my dear friends, this 30 out of 30 you can easily able to crack if you follow few things. I am going to unlock those things. First one, please solve all the previous year MCQ of new syllabus. We have exams, last 5 exams. So cover all those MCQs. So what I am requesting you now, do this method. Take a printout of the question. See, we were investing lot of money on food, entertainment, everything. Please invest on your studies because everything downloading, keeping it mobile, you don't get proper order. Everything in your book, everything is ready. So last 5-year question paper with the suggestion answer solution, please download it and keep it in your table. And split the MCQ separate, split the written separate because MCQ revision is separate. See, if someone asking me always, sir, how you got the rank without going for any classes and all, I would like to tell you, I have done a good strategy. I got in final rank just only because of I have a special strategy for cracking MCQ. For me, only 20 mark MCQ. Now you are having 30 mark MCQ. With that, I am able to get a rank. You can able to get beyond that. Yes, my dear friends. So take all the previous year MCQ of no syllabus. Another one, let me tell you, my dear friends, majority of the friends are not aware. Even I have made a special video of institute secret where I have told you lot of institute shortcut point. So please use those shortcut which I have discussed in my session. What I have discussed in the session, friends, your institute website having lot of proof. So I will give this when I am uploading in YouTube or in the chat box of our webinar, I'll share those details of the link of MCQ. Our institute for 22 syllabus is released MCQ. So you can able to go through those questions also. So let me share you first. This is our website. In the student website, you can come to courses. In these courses, everything is there. See, here we have MCQ for intermediate. This is the link for MCQ for 22 syllabus. My dear friends, this is the next. So previous year you have to make it. Then here there is an answer. Correct answer also mentioned. So you have to go for MCQ booklet. See, this is having a weightage of 20%. This having a weightage of what? 30%. Now your study material book back. Study material book back. You have another 20% weightage. In every study material on the module ends, they are having MCQ. That also you make it revision when you're completing the chapter. So this will ensure you close to what mark, friends? This will ensure you almost 70% of MCQ you can crack. Balance 4% definitely concept clarity. You should have a conceptual clarity. You should have a conceptual clarity. I want to announce you that we at Edu Home, we were released a separate telegram. We are going to release this webinar. We are going to release that separate telegram for intermediate final students of CMA. And we are going to give conceptual clarity of all the topic there itself. All the topic there itself. So we will give you material, short material. Those short material concept, if you clear, you can able to get balance 30% because concept is required. Even nothing will work out. Concept is very, very important. So you can able to get the balance. So I will give you the telegram link also in the chat box so that you can able to join the telegram page for respective intermediate or final group 1 or group 2 final. You can able to. This we are starting from October 1st. The continuous session we are starting from October 1st. October 1st onwards you will get all the exam strategies, everything in the respective channel. So you can inform your friends also to join in that channel. So this will able to help you to score this much more. Now if you want to practice questions, MCQ, if you want to practice, in our portal also we are giving free MCQ access. In our portal also we are giving free MCQ access. You can able to go through our MCQ access in our portal because as you know we are focusing on test series and we are giving a lot of test plan for students, whether it is written or whether it is an MCQ. So you can use the free resources also. You can able to get that and you can tell that now all India rank 1 Rishabh also joined with us. All big Star War are there for you to support. So all the sessions are starting from October 1st. I'll show you detailed session for that. Until your December exam, we are going to come in with a series of. So please ensure you're following this YouTube page. Please subscribe it and share with your friends. Because more number of students are coming us, we'll have more responsibility. So we'll be come up with some exciting announcement for you. So here it is, if you're intermediate level, any subject you can bronze plan. Bronze plan is what? Basic plan where you can able to write the MCQ test. You just enter your cart, you just make the purchase. You make the purchase, you just give the login. So you can give it your mobile number, whatever it is. Once you log in, you will get immediately the access dashboard. This dashboard is an exclusive access where you can get how many tests you have written, what is the chapter. So here in subscription, I will get the what is subscribe I have done. So what is MCQ? You can get and get purchased here. What is the MCQ? I can able to practice the MCQ here. See, you will get the point. The main advantages of this test, you know, once you write the answer, save and next, I can go for it. Once I submit the exam, if I submit the paper, immediately I will get the mark of MCQ. So you can check how many questions I have written, what is the mark. If you want no correct answer, you can click here, what is the correct. Then question based analysis, if you click now, you can click. This is a free resources. This is a free resources because I don't want to get confused. Stuff sir is coming webinar and telling a job. No, it's a free access. This you can able to get it. You can able to utilize for MCQ. See here, I am very clear. We are using only MCQ of ICMA. MCMA only I am giving because I want to make it ICMA perspective because this 20 to 30 you want to get from the website. Chapter base. Here there is no chapter base. Coming to next level. If you want premium access, you can go for premium plan also. Now this is the first area how to score MCQ. So be very clear. In the chat box, I will give you the link also for your benefit. All those details. Are you clear? So in the description, video description, I will give it. So that even chat box don't be make it. In the live, I am giving in the comment box itself, my dear friends. So this is the first thing, whether you are an inter or a final, ensure you have a make a 30 out of 13 MCQ because that is a very, very important point. This will make us some extra advantage. In our telegram page, which I am going to share you, we'll run poll also, question poll so that you can practice daily some target. I'll run the poll also. Everything will start from October 1st. So please join, please come up with your friends, because more students will have more responsibilities will be there. Next, another one main point. Sir, written what I will do. See, very, very important. I have already announced that you have to print the material. See, secret I will tell you, previous year question. This is the point. My dear friends, another unlock. I'm making this. See, I know lot of friends, main problem I will tell you here. We'll start preparing only 1 month before the exam or 30 days before the exam. Then lot of tension, accounts, costing low, yes, from ACM, lot of confusion. This is the problem. Ye hamara problem. So what will happen? We want time for practicing MCQ. We want time for practicing previous year question. So please avoid that. Now we have enough time. Take a printout of previous year question. Are you clear? Take a printout of the previous year question. Sir, how I will get the access? You can get from our website. See, I told you this now. From here, you have to go for what? You have to go for the students examination. And here, suggested answer. Here you have to click it. You'll get it. Sir, questions, here only answer. How I will get questions? Question paper, here it is. All the question. June 2025 question also there. December is there. We require only new syllabus. See, new syllabus up to this only. From here, if you've gone through, syllabus will change. See, syllabus 2016. Don't go through also. They are not referring. Recent 4 or 5 year only they are referring. Then why we want to focus on more than that? Not at all repeat. So, this is very, very important. This is the previous year you have to be. So, print out, practice. And how you have to practice is very important. That is a strategy I have done. See, today if I am learning branch accounts, whatever the class you attended, whatever the main point you did, so branch accounts once I learned, once I completed my learning, take the printout of previous year question and see the branch account previous year question, are you able to solve? If you are able to solve, Aram say, no problem, keep it. If you are not able to solve previous year, then what you do now? Understand the provision, copy that question and answer in your notebook. So whenever you do revision with your notebook, the previous year also will be covered. Are you clear? So that is advantage. So this you have to be very clear. Previous year you have to practice, you have to travel with previous year. And how you have to do while you are preparation, you are learning standard costing today, standard costing is completed, go the previous year. Everything is you require a printout. Take it some printout, make some investment. Because soft copy is one of the main problem. We don't know where it is sold, whether it is saved. Sometime memory issue will delete it, we don't know. Again downloading, time wasted. Nothing. Everything in your hand you keep it. Make a separate area for your preparation. Steady. Another 2.5 months only steady. December we want to crack. No excuse. This is what we have to ensure. So are you clear? This is the secret of previous year. Now I will tell you the study plan. Very, very important. Study plan. Study plan is very, very important, friends. So make a plan for MCQ. Make a plan for what? MCQ. What is make a plan for MCQ? I told print out, make arrangement, each chapter complete, solve the MCQ. You can use our own resource, Edu Home resource also for the practice. Another very, very important. I would like to mark this as in red color. I would like to mark this as in what? Red color. Nothing else. Red color I will make it because this is the main mistake of every students. See what happened now? They may not aware about the high weightage topic or they are not concentrating on high weightage topic. See, maybe 2 years before you go to the class, maybe your teacher may not be done good question. What happened now? You keep on practicing those questions. No. If it is a high weightage topic, please ensure you are solving full question of your study material. Because study material minimum 20 to 30 marks will come. Then all the previous year question, no compromise on that. If there is not an amendment paper, try previous year of old syllabus also. High weightage we have to focus. Now, in the month of September, October, please focus on high weightage. I will tell you one strategy. In my CMA final, CFR paper, you know CFR? That paper, as I told earlier in my videos also, I haven't meant for any classes. So for me, big task is what? this consolidation and amalgamation. Every friends, this is the problem. Consolidation and amalgamation. So what I did now, I referred the library books, all the authors' book, and I practiced. See, I have taken almost 20 days for that, and I completed this first. Rest of the topic I completed in 5 days. But the problem is what? This essay problem I can able to solve it, or I will able to approach the question. To be frank, I even go to tally it, but luckily I got all in the rank and stayed first rank. The point is what? Working note is there. Working note is there for exam. So if you feel that this is an important topic, now prepare for that important topic. Don't think that important topic, how preparation, I learned. No, important topic preparation is complete all the ICMA study material question, complete all the previous year question of 22 syllabus. If it is not an amendment paper, try some more additional question from old syllabus. That is enough. Sir, shall I do CA and all? Oh, you want to pass it because you want to get time also. Aram says somewhat entertainment also required. Na? So high weightage. Sir, can you help me in high weightage? Yes. Today in this session, I will give you high weightage topic for both inter and final. You don't want to worry. I will give you today high weightage topic for both inter and final. Next, you should have a plan for revision. This is the very disadvantage. Very difficult task. Students, what will happen? They will learn September, October, something they will learn. Maybe amalgamation they will learn. But they won't revise at all. You should have a proper revision strategy also. If you don't have proper revision strategy, then so whatever you learn, you have to revision. Sir, what is a technique for revision? See, theory subject and all. Please make a small short note. Fix in your room, in the wall. So whenever you come and out of the wall, you will be able to recall. Make some small short note. A, B, C. A stands for one full name. B stands for one name. Then you can able to do it. We will also help you in our Telegram channel. I will keep on giving this revision material also for you. Then you how to make this is very important. This is very important. Why this is very important, friends? Because you made some plan and you should have a reporting. See, we learn auditing, but we won't do audit. We learn auditing, but we won't do audit. You have to do audit of your study plan. You made this week, this is the target. Are you achieved or not? Do the assessment. Otherwise, no use. Because now I can tell everything. November, December, I can't tell anything because now we have enough time for planning. If you are not utilizing, waste. Are you clear? So this is very important. So make a plan, make an implement. If anyone needs support, my dear friends, let me tell you, in our Edu Home, we have some plan called Astra plan, and we were announced that a study plan separately. This is a common study plan we are giving in Astra plan. Here exclusive access for MCQ. Here we are giving daily study plan, and we will monitor in our dashboard. We will monitor it whether you are following it properly or not. So you don't want to worry. You can just log in and check in your dashboard what is the status of your performance, how much percentage you completed, what is to improve. So if you want support, we can also help you on that. But I am making that it is depend upon because it is depend upon how you want to make your study easier. If you want support, you can take our support. Otherwise, you do your support because I don't want you how to make it much effort because you do studies, you have a weekly assessment strategy. It is very important, friends. Coming to next day, the main important thing which everyone is making, they are telling subject-based strategy. I will tell you, first of all, I want to tell you one good news for you. All our faculties are coming next 10 days. That is October 1st before we starting. Next 10 days, all our faculties are coming with a subject-based strategy. Subject-based strategy, where I am going to cover majorly subject. So that will be there for you. So you don't want to worry at all. But I want to give you a high weightage topic in each of the area of your interest. So you can able to start prepare now itself because high weightage area, no compromise, start prepare now itself. So are you ready? We are going to discuss each subject of intermediate and final, which are all the high weightage topic where it will come 30 to 40 mark, and you have to ensure that your preparation is pakka. Please do all the ICMA previous year question. In your regular class, what is the problem you have to do? Then you have to go for previous year question. No compromise. you should be able to solve yourself previous year question. So what we will start? We'll start with first subject called a financial accounting. Financial accounting 14 mark questions are coming from two area. One is partnership, another one it is what? Income rate, balance sheet preparation, P&L and everything, income rate records. They'll give some data, then we have to complete. See that you have to do it. Then you have branch accounts. Every time is coming. Then there is a one strategy. If you are good in accounting standard, you can go for accounting standard. You can even skip partnership also. If you feel partnership is lengthy. Bill of exchange, hire purchase, rectification of error, every time coming question. So this important topic, if you focus, plus MCQ, you can score 60 plus. Are you clear? So please focus on this. Question number 4 always coming 14 mark. Partnership always coming 14 marks. So we have to ready for that. We have to check whether our preparation is enough for that or not. What improvement I have to do. Clear? Good. Now we'll go for next subject, none other than DT. DT very, very important. DT and IDT only. Anyway, separate point session will be there for DT and IDT. All the subject will have subject-wise session in our YouTube page. So please follow in YouTube, subscribe us so that you can get the updates in YouTube. We will coming in the next 10 days full of series. Monday onwards, we are going to come to you. Some friends are in chat box is asking final. The final also will come. Interkatam will come to final. Don't worry at all. All the 5 heads. Especially you have to understand adjustment of PGBP, capital gain. And one understanding I will tell you. See, questions are coming from salary. Questions are coming from house property. So study all the 5 heads. That is very, very important. And be very clear with PGBP, capital gain adjustment also. Then go for, this is for GST. See, GST problem base you can score, computation of assessable value, practice previous year question itself, that is you can able to score it. And here I can tell you for both things in our study material institute website, this is one resources I will tell you which will helpful for all of you. See here in courses, if you click now, institute released workbook. See here you can practice. Here you can practice DT sums, IDT sums, which can helpful for your exam preparation. So here there will be out of question. In accounts also it will be used. See residential status sums. Every chapter there is sums. So full of sum you can practice because DT there is a sums are coming for each chapter. Even assessable value I told you, you can score from here very good mark. Very, very useful friends. Ditto. Next is coming law. Law, my dear friends, only 2 strategy. This is the 2 strategy. See, this is the 2 strategy if you take in law, ensure. Business ethics. Ethics, you can score 40 mark. Company set, even you can score 25 to 30 mark. So no skip. Prepare properly company set. I suggest you can refer CA questions, CA material also for a better understanding on company set. But still, these 2 areas. If you want to score little higher mark, because some students are coming through foundation or graduation, already contracted side of goods, they have a good grip. Again, you will get 14 marks. So 14 mark, close to the 25 mark. See how much mark you are getting from these chapters. 53 plus MCQ. So this you have to be very, very, very clear. Seriously on this point. You clear? So my request to all of you that, what is my request? Plan according to weightage. Please complete company sect first. No compromise on that. Maybe your class may be started on contract act. Then sale of goods set. Start company sect first. That will help you score. Next is costing. Costing, very, very good scoring paper. I will come with separate video for costing also. Costing, very important point. Marginal costing, 14 mark questions are coming. Correct? Then we'll have standard costing, sometime 14 mark, otherwise 7 mark question. Correct? Then budgeting. See, this way, if you learn these chapters, then contract costing. Without contract costing, no question are there. Then we have operating costing, 7 mark. Then we have overhead. See, these chapter alone, you will get, this will come 7 mark minimum, 7 mark, 7 mark, 7 mark, sometime 14 mark. See, these chapter alone will come 56 mark, 53 mark. 13 chapters, I am telling you, study these chapter alone. You can able to score very good mark. So why you want to worry when there is a advantage with you? Now we will move on to the group 2. Group 2, we have each subject will proceed OPMSM. See, OPMSM, if you go through, we will come up with separate decoding session also. So I will come up with a separate video for whole subject in next 10 days. So what is OPM? In OPM, my dear friends, let me tell you one strategy where you have to get a question from networking. Pakka. Networking questions are coming. Assignment questions are coming. Problem area. So you can able to focus on this area. Forecasting questions are coming. So focus on these problem area. So you can able to score very good mark. Are you able to understand? So this is a strategy we have to focus on. So I request you that some previous year question, lot of weightage. So go with that. MCQ and ditto. So I will come up with a separate video on this because this is a very good scoring area. Corporate accounts. Corporate accounts, how questions are coming. See, in this corporate account, if you go through electricity company, one question is coming. Insurance company, one question is coming. Banking, 14 mark. Here coming first module, shares, redemption, all those are just 14 mark. See, finalization of accounts, 14 mark. Finalization of accounts without showing how you can get. So 3 into 14, what is the mark you're getting? 3 into 14, you're getting 42. Add cash flow, K. Auditing study the previous year question alone, you can be able to score good mark. Why you want to take much effort? Depends upon the time you can score this. I'm not telling not to study auditing, but I am telling you have to focus on high weightage topic first. Complete that pakka. If question is coming, you should score. This is especially for to crack the exam. Rank hold days, we have a separate strategy. Rank hold days, don't watch these videos. Okay. FM data analytics, see, FM only the strategy, FM. See, capital budgeting, we have a capital budgeting 14 mark. Working capital management 14 mark. What else required, friends? You can go for leverage, another 7 mark. Then you can go for another cost of capital, another 7 mark. See, this itself coming how much mark, friends? 14 into 3, this itself coming 42 mark, 4 chapters only. We can add a lot of other chapters. But these main chapters, now if you take cash flow, fund flow ratio, I would like to tell ratio and cash flow, if you're lucky, fund flow, another 14 mark. See, without ratio, you cannot see any question paper. So this you have to understand, friends. That is very, very important. You have to understand these points. Coming management accounting, the same way only. What is management accounting, friends? Management accounting is standard costing. Standard question, 14 mark. We have budgeting. We have decision making area. 25 mark. I will come with separate a video session for that. What are the important questions in each topic also I will come. But I want to give you start preparing. Hey, yaar, please start. Why you want to waste time? That is what I want to tell you. Then we have small areas also there. This is added in your group. Activity based costing, pakka 7 mark. No much effort. So these kind of area, please complete. Then another area called decision theory, EVA, all those points also you can focus. You can get good mark. Coming to final, my dear friends, in this webinar, I want to give you a detailed analysis. So I don't think this 1 hour is enough for us to discuss on final. So final, I will come up with separate video for each subject. But I want to give you some important point for few final subject now. Because SFM, SCM, CFR, DT, cost audit. This all I want to give you now itself. All these subjects. My dear friends, if SFM now, you have to go for derivatives and forex. This is the first part. Then you have to go for portfolio management and mutual fund. All are related topic. My dear friends, these two alone will get 35 mark. Sometime 40 mark also. Then you have to go for what? Valuation of bonds and debenture. Because weightage less. Because capital budgeting, some friends will wait me. Capital budgeting, lengthy topic, 7 mark only. What is the usefulness on that? Leasing and risk analysis. See, these alone will get you 60 mark. Sure. So you please start preparing. I will come up with exciting session for you how to crack all these topics also. So you can be able to crack this. Coming to next, SEM. What we have to go for in SEM, friends? SEM, definitely standard costing 14 mark. Then we have what? We have definitely, yes, I know you are waiting for that. Standard costing 14 mark, networking 14 mark. See, OR is the killing person here. OR more weightage. Then we have transfer pricing 7 mark. Then we have ABC 7 mark. Activity based costing. See, this kind of weightage, if you then we have decision making area 14 mark question. I am telling that you can skip this 14 mark now, because for getting this 14 mark you have to take a lot of effort. But here, with lesser effort, you are getting these marks because limited topic only. Then you can go for another topic called the transportation assignment, which are all easy questions are coming. Then another one area called which can be score very good area is called a other OR part, COQT part. So focus on that. FR, I don't want to tell you. You can able to understand consolidation. Then amalgamation. This is the 2 areas. Apart from that, internal reconstruction every time coming for 7 mark. Correct? So these are all the area. Valuation of goodwill shares. So these are all the area you please start now, because if I want to tell more topic, because these 2 topics will take. Here what will come? Assessment of companies. Transfer pricing. The weightage transfer pricing close to 21 mark. Transfer, that is all these point, international tax, DDTA, assessment of individual and non-resident trust. This itself will fetch you. See, this will come 14 mark. This will come 14 mark. This will come 21 mark. This will come another 7 mark. See, the weightage, how it is going on. Other assessment of trust again coming. Coming to cost audit. Cost audit and all, you have problem area. See, CAS problem. Then you can go for profit reconciliation problem or value addition problem. See, CAS problem, CAS cost accounting standard, CAS 6 and 7 and 4 like that. 2 questions every time coming. Then profit reconciliation, value addition problem. This is the main 2 problem coming always. Then ratio analysis problem. So this is how you have to make it very clear, friends. So this webinar, I want to make you more engaging with you. So we will come up with exciting session to you. Apart from that, we can go for section A, module 1 to 3, theory part, 25 mark weightage for exam, friends. Module 1 to 3, 25 mark weightage. Then internal audit last chapter. Internal audit last chapter, that 8-9 companies. How the auditing of hospital, how the auditing of self-help group. In that 1 out of 9 always coming. Management audit another 40 marks. But this itself will getting the mark. So this is how you have to make your preparation, friends. For subject like law, IDT, amendment papers, we are coming with exciting session. So I don't want to prolong this session today. My dear friends, this is the one and only point. MCQ should be very clear with the strategy, and you should know the power of previous year question. Then you should have to go with a study plan. Study plan is very, very important. Whatever we are learning, that should be recorded and that should be capitalized for your preparation for December exam. So that I request you to make a proper follow-up. We at Edu Home, we are giving a detailed individual study plan in our platinum plan. In our platinum plan, I will come directly and will give you the study plan. We will monitor you also. So we will monitor how the performance is going. And we will tell you the strategies. And we will give you the test series for you, every chapters. Based upon the requirement, you can plan all the chapters or maybe separate topic also. So I request you to utilize all these resources from our ICMA website, Edu Home website, and other resources what you have learned so far. And ensure that this December exam you are getting completed. I want to tell you, my dear friends, October 1st, I will give you the chat box, this Telegram pages. Join the Telegram pages winter, you will get the note final. We will upload all those things for you. We want only one thing. It is you are getting past this time. Clear? So now I want to make you that you are following all these things. To this, we will wind up this webinar session. I hope all the chat box comments I have replied. If anything missed, you can just give in the YouTube uploading video comments. The next session, I will discuss all these things for you, my friends. To this, I am signing off. I want to ensure that all of you come in the 3-letter CMA before your name in the December. If you are intermediate, I want to mention that you are completing. So with this, thank you all the best. Go with a very good preparation. Okay. All the best, friends. So hope I am able to help your preparation very well. God bless you.